What's up, what's up? Shogun champion in the house, late at night, here to hype. No, I'm not doing a fly, team, fly, team, fly. Whatever happens, happens. This is playoffs for the fantasy football, man. What's up, what's up? No fly teams fly this time. It's time for fantasy football because the ones, undisputed, baby! And now, Team King Simba! Team King Simba! Team King Simba! What's up, what's up? Team King Simba roaring into the playoffs. What's up, what's up? And gonna hopefully win it all. Hopefully. Now I'm not gonna diss the other three teams. No. The four teams made it for a reason. They made it this far. It's just Team King Simba wants to be king. To claim the throne, to climb Pride Rock at the very end with the rain coming down after a heartfelt battle, and just the sun arises to King Team Simba crowning victory, winning, beating his opponents. But I have a tall task ahead of me. My opponent has been my rival for fantasy history. Stephen Joyce, he's the bee's knees. Going against the bee's knees. Steven is a battle. It's like Ash versus Gary. Two strong rivals in Pokemon. Ash and Gary. Gary Oak, Ash Ketchum. Two strong rivals. Good luck, buddy. Good luck. May the best person win. May the best team win. Good luck to the other two. Patrick Feast, Team Feast, and Team Marcus. Good luck. But I want it all. I want to win. I made it this far. And I hope to win. That's what I came to do. Pay to play to win it all. Pay to play to win it all. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? There's no shade. It's just wanting to win it all because this is my final run. And if I can't get the job done, then I retire and just do free fantasy football league, because I know if I can't get the job done, then maybe I can't get the job done, and I'll just do it for fun. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I work so hard, skillfully drafting each team each year. I just want to win the big one. The big one. What's up, what's up? And I guess on the other side, at the other camp, the women's fantasy football, their fantasy playoffs are on. And I called it. You could ask Commissioner David Atkins. I called it from the beginning. I said Liz is winning it all, and I say what I say, and I said what I said. So let's see what happens. Because it's Liz, Audrey, Leah, and Liz, Audrey, Leah, Liz, Audrey. And I think Kay. So good luck to those 4 too. I could be wrong on the... Nah, we'll go with it. I could be wrong. Savage makes mistakes. You know what I mean. But good luck. But I did say Liz would win it all. Wazzup, wazzup. Wazzup, wazzup. Wazzup, wazzup. Wazzup. But anywho, still, your reigning, defending, Shogun, Underground, champion. Wazzup, wazzup. Yeah. No shade. Good luck to all. May the best team win. Secretly me. Wazzup, wazzup. Wazzup, wazzup. Pete, what's up? What? Shout out to Tommy Wiz, Theodore Haddon. What's up? What's up? What's up? Bees, me. Cats, meow. Pajamas. What's up, what's up? Sorry, I can't do this. I gotta do it. It gets me in trouble, but oh well. Fly, bears, fly! Fly, bears, fly! Fly, bears, fly! What are you gonna do? Because you're supposed to stand tall against a bear, but it's a flying bear. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Raggy! Raggy! Zoinks! Zoinks! Pika! Baba Sour! Baba! Rangers! Ah! After 10,000 years, I'm free. What's up, what's up?